Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired November 17th, 2025. The topic of that show was Validate Happily Ever After. Swami, your insights.
The podcast talks about attaining the fairy tale concept of happily ever after by acquiring spiritual sense through scientific knowing.
Looking to identify with eternal happiness? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam